Hello there, folks. We're looking, this is Roman with All Things Automotive, and we are looking at a 2018 Ford F-150 STX. This car currently has 22,793 miles on it. Obviously, you can see it's gray in color. We have the step side rails, black door handles. You can see the turn signals in the mirror. As we go back, obviously you can see it's a crew cab. It has the nice alloy wheels, new rubber, meaning new Ford, new tires on this truck. As we step to the back, you can see it has the F-150 obviously indented in the bumper. It has the tow hitch along with the trailer package. It has the nice bed liner in the rear. You can see it has a few little, and we'll get to those here in a few, at the end of the video. I'll go back and explain just a few little marks and nicks that the vehicle does have. But for now, we're just doing a pretty nice walk around of the vehicle on all 4 points. As we get around to the passenger side, again, the rails, step side rails. This is a CarFax certified vehicle. In the front, we have your fog lamps down below, your winch hooks as well on the bottom. And as we step, and the real nice thing about the F-150 STX, it's considered a work truck, so you'll see the extensions on the rear view mirrors or outside mirrors. As we step up into the vehicle, again, we have power windows, door locks. It does not have a power passenger seat in this case. Again, in the work truck stance, you can see here we do have automatic headlight controls. I am going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Of course, the nice Ford welcome tune there. It does come with a CarFax history report. Again, the CarFax is available on our website. This is just, there's obviously the no accidents that's everyone's interested in. It is a one-owner vehicle with some history records detailed there in the CarFax report. That is, again, available for you to customer online at allthingsautomotive.com. As we look at the steering controls, you can see I can control the audio from the steering wheels as far as the stations. I can also control the volume and, again, my presets. This does have your Bluetooth capable hands-free system in it, along with your cruise control. It has the options for 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. We have the nice size screen here as well with your audio controls. This is touchscreen, and when I touch the phone, the apps, the settings, pretty simple. Obviously, sitting still would be the recommended time to do that. You can see down in the display as well, we have the 2 audio and auxiliary jacks. That is a USB to USB, I'm sorry, 2 USB jacks. We have, of course, your climate controls, your radio controls manually. And looking in the glove box, it has your owner's manual with another shelf there for miscellaneous items. We have the 12-volt hookup as well. We also have a nice storage area here, the cup holders, the very large armrest with, again, storage area in there, places for phones, things of that nature. So we have also a button for traction control listed here in the dash. Again, your lighting. And as we step out, of course, it's going to be your tilt. And your tilt for the steering wheel is going to be located down here, you can see. And stepping out, of course, again, the welcome sign as well. I'm going to turn it off and step to the passenger seat here. In the rear passenger, you can see obviously plenty of room for workers or family members, whichever you choose. You can see the nice liner put in. Also, power charging cords in the back, options for that, and of course your lighting in the back as well. Of course, your power windows. In looking over the truck, we like to disclose if there's any blemishes, scratches, dings, dents, anything of that nature. I see a very small area here where we had to touch up with the paint. As I'm looking around further on the front of the vehicle, I really see no other. You can see a little bit of weathering from driving down the road on the mirrors. As I go back to bed here, a little bit of wear on the bed side here. Bumper looks good. Again, on the back bedside here on the tailgate, you can see where some people have used it. But other than that, you can see a place for the camera. And walking around, again, the bedside. Looks pretty good otherwise. So again, 2018 Ford F-150 Crew Cab Gray here at All Things Automotive. If you would like, we will have this vehicle available again, allthingsautomotive.com. My name is Roman Spriggs, and our number here is 717-485-4224. And I forgot to say, I'm sorry, this car does come with 2 sets of keys located right here. So again, thank you.